Hello everyone, we're going to try and do some animation on a special potion cauldron. So let's have a go, it should be fun. So if you just type in Amazing ICT and search for it, or www.amazingict.co.uk, just click on it and then choose the Scratch channel. You can see all the projects that I've done. The one you want today, you have to go on View All, and it's top left, Potions, the Flying Hippo, and it's number 4. So what you can do is you can go back and look at the previous ones, 3, 2 and 1. So let's go to see inside. Now you can see at the moment we've got a potion, a purple potion there on the right hand side. Now notice my screen's gone really big without me wanting it to, so I'm just going to have to refresh the page. Now I'm working on a tablet today, so we might actually have to go back to the website and load it again. This does tend to happen on Chromebooks or tablets, but just as I say, go back to the Amazing ICT website and load it again and it should be all right. So what we're going to do is we've got 6 sprites, they're called, but they're characters, so they could be an animal, an object, a button. So we're going to go to create another one. Now this time we're not going to load one in, we're going to draw one. So this allows you to be really creative. So we're going to go to the pen tool. And what you get is you get all these different drawing tools and you got different colours. Now mine happens to be purple, but if yours isn't purple, say it's red, just scroll across and get it to purple. If you want the exact purple of the potion in the pot, there's a pipette it's called, and you can go across and you can actually pick up the colour of the purple from the potion. So now I've got the exact purple of the potion, and I can now think, well actually I don't want any outline to these circles. I'm going to draw bubbles coming out, so the outline's going to be 0, so I just want solid purple. So the fill, I'm going to use the fill but no outline, and I want a circle. Now you can do these really big because they need to sort of look like purple bubbles. And I'm just going to sort of put 3 of them at different sizes here. Now it doesn't matter that they're big, as I say. Now it doesn't look as if the purple's exactly the same, so I might have not done the pipette properly, or it might not have worked on the actual iPad. Yeah, I can't seem to get the pipette to work on the iPad, but you can try that on a laptop. So it's that one, and then you go across to the colour that you want on the picture, and it should pick it up. Right, so we've got the 3 circles. Now it doesn't matter they're too big, because as you've learnt before, under size you can change those. So I'm just going to put like 10. And they might be actually too small then, but it's all about trial and error. It's supposed to be fun and exploring. There they are, I can see them. So I'm just going to drag them across to the cauldron. Now I want them now to actually go up and then hide. So you might know how to do this because we did something moving the jar and the crystal around. Notice that as soon as I clicked on the jar, the code for the jar came up, so I've got to go back to the bubbles. So have a little think. You can pause the video if you want and have a go yourself. If not, you can just watch and then try and replicate it. So when I start the game, I want the bubbles to move up. Now, the X is across and Y is up. So in this case, I want to change the Y by 10. I'm actually going to make it a bit bigger. I can always change that. That's called a variable. And then I'm going to make it hide. So that should be under looks. So the bubbles are going to go up a bit and then hide. But then, as we said before, they've got to show at the beginning. So let's just have a little look at that, and we'll go full screen and just see if they go up. Now, it went too quickly. So we're going to have to do what's called a glide. So instead of that change Y by 20, we're going to get it to glide. So you can't see the bubbles because they've hidden, so we'll click on show again. So we'll move the bubbles back down. It's a little bit tricky, especially when the hippo's in the way. Just stop it and move the hippo. Can't seem to get that to move up. I'll leave it there for now. So we want the original position of the bubbles is there. Now if I wanted to make it go a bit higher, I could just change that actually. So I could make it 36 and then it will actually go up. There we go. And then I want them to go even higher. So I'm just going to move them up a little bit. And then I'm going to say, maybe make that another 20. So 40, 36 and 20 is 56. And then hide. But I think what we'll do is we'll get them to go to the starting position before they appear. There we go. Try that again. Now they're hidden again. So we do need to, I don't know why they haven't shown again. That's very strange. Let's stop it. Oh, there we go. I was just a bit impatient. So stop it and then start it. There's the bubbles and they hide. Now what we could do is that only happens once. So we could put a repeat in. And then we can get the bubbles either to go up 10 times, or we could have that going forever until we press the red stop button. So let's just try that. Stop and start. There we go. Now I'm sure you could, let's make it full screen so you can see them. I'm sure you can perhaps do it so it's an even better animation and try and get the purple the same as well. But hopefully you've learned now how to animate an object, in this case the cauldron. Hope you like it.